17 degrees outside. So the fact that it's almost 40 in here is a miracle.
That's about it.
Yeah. Okay, well, Patrick's gonna go turn on the propane heater in the living room and move Gaby's bed out so Maggie can lay on it in the living room. Because she has arthritis, she's 10. To tell you the truth, the hardest thing we do here is live in the cold. We only have 2 rooms that are heated. And we have a Mr. Heater, which is propane. It works great, but unfortunately, it makes our Connex boxes sweat. And the other thing we have is, of course, regular heaters. Generators are a way of life, and that's how I cook all of our meals, strictly. I do have a small burner that I do plug in and use electricity, but I've said before that we share electricity 50 amps with 2 other people on the property. This gate is working perfect and I love it. Okay, food delivery for Papa. Come on, Maggles. Let's go, baby girl. Let's go.
Baby boy. Look out, guys.
Okay, move it. Move it or lose it. Okay.
Look at that. Look at that.
Breakfast is set.
Wow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do all this.
Okay. Now, I keep produce and milk in a double bag, freezer bag, because my refrigerator freezes everything and we can't heat this part of the house. So this is how I keep onions and lettuce and tomatoes and milk and sour cream from freezing by the double bag method, and it works really well. I don't have any issues with that. Yes, that is frozen Dawn dish soap.
Gaby baby. His first ride in a vehicle since he was just a puppy. So good. Looking around. Aren't you, Bubba?
We fill up containers every day because sometimes our house is frozen. And that's how we give our animals water and how to do dishes. I use a roaster and I heat water. And then that to me to the right is where I wash my dishes and just dump them down that sink that drains out. That's how we currently have things plumbed, if you want to call it that. We take this water and we filter it before we drink it or use it for cooking. Are you going to the Olympics?
Yeah. Gonna be a flag twirler.
Hose twirling.
Get, folks.
Make sure you get water out of your hoses. They will freeze. Look at all the wild bunnies that are just out our window. There's one that lives in. Hi, Buddy. Buddy the bunny. Maggie, you didn't see the bunny. Did you see the bunny? I don't think so. You're basking. That's okay. Carry on. If I could sit there, which you won't let me, I would bask too. Okay, you guys will notice that, you know, we don't have electricity wired in the house yet. So these lights here serve as our lighting in here, and they're on motion sensors. So I just take them down. They're just magnetized to the metal that's up there. And I just put them on a charge every few days, and it works perfect. When you walk in here, it's light. These things are great. You put them on sensor, and then you don't have to do anything until they die. I can tell when they're getting dim, I have to put them back on. But you can put them on full time, turn them off, you can put them on sensor, and it works really, really good. I got them on Amazon. I'll try to leave the link for you in the description. And then when you charge them, they'll be red when they're dead and green when they're fully charged. They're perfect. Well, you guys, we're just taking it easy, doing the little projects we can, mostly installation, so I'm not making videos right now until we're done with that. Just kind of taking a winter and relaxing, and I'm doing a lot of cooking like I always do. And trying to let Patrick have a little bit of time off from the drudgery of building a house, because we've been at it for 3 years. Trying to keep warm, trying to keep busy, and we'll try to make more videos soon, but we are still just in the process of getting insulation in this house, and that is the most important thing that we can do. I hope these noodles are done. I mean, they seem tender, but I've never used these before, and I've cooked this. Oh, goodness.
Ooh, the goods.
How much does
Just,
sister want? Normal?
Yeah, normal, I guess.
Yours is a little abnormal, but... Okay, so Patrick's gonna go eat with his sister, so just give her some company. Because I'm gonna go put my foot up, because I've got my bad foot going on. Is it good? It is? Are the noodles tender?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Good.
All right. I have to give you his 2 cents. Baby sister won't be on camera, I'm sure. And Jenny, my daughter, is at work. So, I'll shut the front door. Okay. That's delicious. Could it use more cheese? In my humble opinion. You can't have too much cheese on top, and I don't think I had enough cheese on top. But man, it's delicious, guys. Bon appetit, or whatever. And until the next time, you're in my kitchen with me. You might want to hunker down. See you later.